Welcome back to my friends, when Volkswagen unveils a new concept. The automotive world pays attention, and the ID Cross Concept is no exception. At first glance, it's clear this compact electric SUV is more than just a design study, a near production-ready glimpse into the brand's future. The silver finish highlights its sculpted lines, while the front fascia introduces a friendly yet futuristic personality. Slim LED headlights stretch across the nose, connected by a light bar, a design cue that has become the signature of Volkswagen's EV lineup. It feels approachable, modern, and instantly recognizable, almost like the car is designed to smile at you as you walk up from the side. The proportions are compact yet confident. Measuring about 4.16 meters in length, it slots below the ID.4 in size, which makes it perfectly suited for crowded city streets while still offering enough space for families. Black cladding along the wheel, arches, and lower panels gives it a rugged edge, while the C-pillar design cleverly nods to Volkswagen's heritage models like the Golf around the back. Subtle louvers near the rear glass and a light bar stretching across the hatch pay homage to the ID.Buzz and classic VW vans, tying this new generation of EVs to the company's history. It's a design language Volkswagen calls pure positive, emphasizing clarity, friendliness, and understated charisma rather than aggression. Open the doors, and the ID Cross continues to impress with its thoughtful interior. Unlike some automakers who chase minimalism to the point of frustration, Volkswagen has blended digital sophistication with practicality. There's a central touchscreen for infotainment, but also physical buttons and tactile controls for essential functions. Like climate and volume, the steering wheel integrates haptic feedback, while voice commands add another layer of interaction. Space-wise, you get a 450-liter cargo area in the rear and even a small 25-liter frunk up front, useful for charging cables or smaller bags. The cabin design emphasizes comfort and functionality with clever storage solutions and flat folding seats that expand versatility. Performance is where things get even more interesting. Built on the upgraded MEB Plus platform, the ID Cross is equipped with a front-mounted electric motor, producing around 155 kilowatts, or about 208 horsepower. That may not sound like sports car numbers, but for a compact SUV, it strikes a perfect balance between efficiency and everyday usability. The estimated WLTP range sits at roughly 420 kilometers, which is about 260 miles on a single charge. Plenty for daily commutes and weekend getaways. Charging times should be competitive with the MEB Plus platform designed for faster DC charging, meaning shorter stops on longer road trips. Practicality hasn't been overlooked either. Volkswagen has ensured that this SUV doesn't just look good, it works hard too. It can carry up to 75 kilograms on the roof, enough for a couple of e-bikes, and tow up to 1,200 kilograms when properly equipped. That's impressive for a compact EV and gives it more real-world capability than many rivals for families, adventurers, or simply those who want one car to do it all. These features will make a noticeable difference. One of the most unique selling points of the ID Cross concept is its balance between forward-thinking design and production reality. Many concept cars feel like futuristic toys filled with design elements that will never make it to showrooms. But this car already wears production-ready details like door handles, side mirrors, and practical trim choices. Volkswagen is signaling that what you see here is very close to what customers will actually be able to buy. And with a targeted starting price around 28,000 euros to 30,000 euros, or about $33,000 in the US. This electric SUV aims to make zero-emission mobility accessible to a much wider audience. Driving enthusiasts may not expect track-ready thrills, but the ID Cross promises a confident, stable, and comfortable ride.